Every year, millions of older adults go through medical checkups, believing it's a smart thing to do. Doctors say it's just routine, but new research reveals a deeper truth. Some of these tests may actually harm more than help, especially as we age. According to the American Geriatric Society, up to 1 in 3 medical tests in older adults is unnecessary. And more often than not, they lead to misdiagnosis, overmedication, or even risky surgeries that don't improve health and may even shorten lives. The truth is, some of the most common health screenings for seniors are causing stress, side effects, and complications, all in the name of prevention. One of these tests alone may be responsible for 5% of all cancer cases in the US. That's the same risk level as drinking alcohol every day. Another test? It often leads to false dementia fears, pushing people into anxiety, depression, or completely unnecessary neurological treatments. In this video, we'll uncover 5 medical checkups that sound helpful, but could quietly put older adults at serious risk. Backed by real science, expert guidelines, and real-life stories, each section will explain what the test is for, why it's potentially harmful, a real-world case example, and safer alternatives that protect your health without unnecessary risk. Especially checkup number 2. It's one that many people are told to do, but very few actually benefit from. Remember, prevention isn't always about more testing. It's about smarter decisions. Now let's explore the checkups that could be doing more harm than good and what you can do instead to protect your well-being. And don't forget to leave a comment below. What's your age? Where are you watching from? And have you or someone you love ever regretted a medical test or treatment? We read every single comment and we reply with personal tips. Unless by 1 bone density scan DEXA. After 70, getting a bone density test might sound smart. It's quick, painless, and tells you if your bones are weak. But here's the truth. Most seniors get results showing osteopenia, even when they don't have a real problem. Why? Because bone thinning is normal with age, like wrinkles or gray hair. But once the word osteopenia is written, doctors often prescribe strong medications called bisphosphonates. These can cause jawbone death, acid reflux, and brittle bones. A study of women over 70 showed that these drugs reduced fracture risk by only 0.3% over 5 years, but they cause far more side effects. Take Mary, 76, a retired music teacher. Her scan showed mild loss. She got meds, developed severe reflux, and stopped playing piano. After stopping the drug and switching to vitamin D, walking, and leafy greens, she got stronger, without any fractures. Don't let a number scare you. If you're not falling or breaking bones, lifestyle changes are safer and more effective. Number 2, brain MRI for memory loss. Forgetfulness after 70 is scary. Many fear dementia, so doctors often order a brain MRI. But these scans usually show normal age changes, shrinkage or white matter spots that aren't dangerous. Still, these harmless signs can trigger panic, more tests, even risky procedures like spinal taps. George, 74, forgot names occasionally. His MRI showed spots. He panicked, stopped driving, and became depressed. But his memory test was normal. We helped him sleep better, drink more water, and play memory games. 3 months later, he was back to himself. In a study of 3,000 MRIs in seniors, 97% showed changes that weren't related to any treatable disease, yet many went through stressful follow-ups. Unless there are severe symptoms like seizures or sudden personality change, skip the MRI. Start with a paper-based memory test. It's cheap, fast, and safer. 3. Cardiac stress test, feeling tired after 70. Doctors may recommend a stress test to check your heart, but without chest pain or breathlessness, this test may do more harm than good. It can give false positives, saying there's a problem when there isn't. In fact, up to 40% of seniors get misleading results. That leads to angiograms, stents, and even surgery, often for nothing. Raymond, 75, walked daily. He felt tired climbing hills. His stress test was abnormal. A stent was placed, but the real issue was dehydration and age, not blocked arteries. He spent days in the hospital and felt no better after. A major study showed that many seniors who got stents after stress tests didn't live longer or feel better. If you're not having real heart symptoms, consider a resting EKG or a coronary calcium scan. Less risk, more clarity. Ifresuber 4, colonoscopy. After 70, colonoscopy is often seen as life-saving, but after 70, the risks rise. The prep causes dehydration. The sedation affects memory. The procedure can cause bleeding or tears. In one study of over 1 million seniors, only 2 lives were saved for every 1,000 colonoscopies, but more than 20 people faced serious complications. Dana, 73, had no symptoms. Her doctor still suggested a colonoscopy. A small polyp was removed. That night she had pain and passed out. She had a bowel tear, spent 9 days in recovery, and hasn't felt the same since. If you've had clean results before and have no symptoms, ask about stool tests like FIT. No prep, no sedation, and still catches most serious cases. After 75, colonoscopy is rarely worth the risk. Number 5. Full-body CT scan. Full-body CT scans sound high-tech. Clinics market them to catch cancer early, but each scan gives off radiation equal to 500 chest x-rays. And most of the problems it finds aren't problems at all. Tiny nodules, harmless cysts. They get flagged and suddenly you're sent for biopsies, more scans, and panic. Marcus, 80, felt fine. His scan found a 3 mm lung spot. Biopsy showed it was nothing, but the procedure collapsed part of his lung. He spent 2 months recovering for no reason. A 2023 study found that up to 5% of cancers in the U.S. may come from radiation exposure, much of it from scans like these. Unless you have real symptoms, weight loss, bleeding, pain, avoid full-body scans. They don't save lives. They create fear. So there you have it. 5 medical checkups that may seem helpful on the surface, but could quietly put your health, your peace of mind, and even your independence at risk. Medicine has come a long way, but even today, more testing doesn't always mean better health, especially as we age. That's why asking one simple question before any test is so powerful. What happens next if this test finds something? If the answer involves stress, dangerous procedures, or treatments that won't actually improve your life, maybe it's worth pausing. Real prevention starts with how you live, not just what you test. Staying active, eating nourishing foods, sleeping well, managing your stress, those things protect you more than most machines ever can. Now we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever been through a test or treatment you later regretted? Or maybe one that truly helped you? Share your experience in the comments below. We read every one, and we respond with personal insights when we can. If this video helped you or someone you care about, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real, science-backed health content designed for older adults. Until next time, stay informed, stay strong, and remember your body deserves care, not fear.